Alright, what's up guys? We got some new headlights for the Z finally, because one of the things that bothered me the most on my Z is the headlights. Look how bad they've gotten. They started to get really hazy and just ugly, and they really bother me. I'll pretty much show you guys what I'm going to be doing, because I was debating if I should get the depot headlights, which are all blacked out, and then this part's gray. But I really like mine how they're just all blacked out. Literally everything inside the headlights blacked out. I was asking people if those depot headlights were good, and some people were saying yes, some people were saying no. About 80% of them were no. Like the lighting output, I guess, isn't the best. Pretty much what I'm gonna be doing is, I'm sure you guys know who LilTech is. He got the same headlights. These ones right here, I pretty much got the idea from him because Jose, the one that did his headlights, is gonna be doing my headlights too. He hit me up and he told me what to do, and he said he'll do the headlights for me. So shout out to him. And look at this. My Z is leaking power steering fluid. I found out like a couple weeks ago. It's just one of the lines underneath from the intercooler piping. The one that goes out from the intercooler and goes through like the control arm. There is a power steering hose down there, and I think the piping is kind of rubbing on there, like pushing against it. So I think it's kind of, it has like a little tear somewhere, so it's leaking power steering fluid underneath. But when I was down there, I got something in my eye, so I gave up, and I'll just take it to my friend's shop and we'll put it on the lift and change out the hose or whatever it is that needs to be changed up. So we got the DE headlights. We're pretty much just gonna be taking the lenses off these and then putting them on here. So I'll have fresh lenses on here. This is the cheapest option to do. Best way to do it too. Just use this lens. These were only $210 for two headlights, two DE headlights. These were from Amazon. If you guys need the link, I'll put it down in my bio. These are only $210 shipped, compared to getting two brand new HR headlights that are gonna be $1,400, which you're only getting them because the lenses are fogged up. So you can just get them for 200 bucks, take out the lenses, and then put them on there. I'm gonna go ahead and take off this bumper, and then I think there's a couple bolts underneath. Gotta take off these two tabs, quick release, and a bolt in there. I think there's 3 bolts, one bolt right here, another bolt in there, and then another bolt right there. And then we'll pop the headlights off, and then we'll go ahead and take them to Jose. Alright, on these, I'm gonna get some new quick releases because I'm not sure what happened to these. They used to be black, and then like a couple months ago, I looked at them and I was like, wait, why are they gold? I was like, they were black. So I'm gonna go ahead and order some new black ones, and I do have a zip tie on them because those little bands rip so fast. And the other one, I still have it on there, but it's ready to rip. So I use these just to have it more secured. Take that off, it's like ready to crack, look at that. Let me make one thing clear. A lot of people think that I'm running my car without a hood because they think that I think it looks cool or something. Or some people on TikTok are like, oh, it's for heating issues. It's for none of that, trust me. I want a hood, I'm waiting on it still. It's been like 3 months since I've ordered it and it's still not here. So people asking what blow off valve I'm running. I'm running a tile blow off valve. It comes with the Booster Performance Kit. Yes, I do have it connected. So no flutter noise you guys hear from my Z. It's just natural flutter. It flutters and then the blow off valve opens up after, which is normal. I love it too. It sounds so sick. This is out. All right, we're all done. Headlights are off. I haven't seen what it looks like without a bumper in such a long time. All right, so this is what I got for my fuel system, what Diaz did. So remember when I had that old vacuum block there? Here, I'll show you guys it if I still have it here somewhere. I think it's in that box, but I had a silver vacuum block that we got done really fast when I needed it, when my car was getting the whole turbo and everything installed. We needed that made, so we had a shop make it for us because we're gonna hit the dyno like the very next day. That thing was ugly back there, and it was just, there's way too many hoses right there. So he ordered me this. I didn't even ask him to, but he did it himself. He charged me for it, of course, but I honestly did not care because the way that silver one was sitting back there with all the hoses looks so bad. And then this one's sick because it mounts up right here to the mounting bracket on the intake manifold right here, but on this side, so it mounts up really nice. And then all the hoses, he ran them like this, and he just made it look so much cleaner with all of my vacuum lines. These vacuum lines, if you guys don't know, they go to the wastegates or to the boost controller, which is back here. He also mounted my fuel regulator gauge. The boost gauge inside, big one on the side there, goes to the back over here. This is where you get your vacuum source for all of that stuff. So with my fuel stuff, this is what we got. This is a good fuel filter right here. So we got that, some new lines, new fittings. The Y is right there, goes across, and then it goes inside into the tank here where I have my dual pump setup. Oops, wrong one. All right. I love this car so much. There's so much about this car that I love now after owning it for about 3 months. Let's put this stuff inside of the S2000 and head over to Jose's place to drop off these headlights. It's been 3 weeks since I've driven this car, and it's been sitting here without headlights. Let me show you guys how the headlights turned out. So the headlights, I got them done the first time by my friend, which he kind of messed them up. So my friend Jose tried to redo them for me and everything, and they just didn't turn out as perfect as I wanted them to be because of the first time they got sprayed inside. So if you look inside there, right there, and then right here where the paint didn't really stick that well. Everything else on this headlight looks really good, like the paint around the projector looks really good. Look how clean they look now with the new lenses. They look so nice, they look brand new and everything, pretty much brand new, you know. It's just the inside. And then I'll show you the other one here. Let me put it over here in the light so you guys can see it a little bit better. So this one, the paint looks really good inside there. It's stuck, but then again, there's that small little paint bubble in there. Yeah, the little things like that really bug me. They do look really clean, brand new lenses, like they look really nice, and people probably won't even notice those little defects unless their face is like right into it like this, how we are looking at them. But from far and stuff, like they look really good, they look clean. I've just been debating if I should sell them, if I should keep them, if I should buy OEM headlights and just pretty much start all over again. I don't want to get depot headlights. Depot headlights are 400 bucks. OEM headlights are $1,100 each. I thought they were like $700 each. $2,400 with tax, around there. And so I'm gonna sell these. Someone's coming to pick them up tomorrow. Today's Friday. And as you can see, I got brand new OEM headlights. And these things are so damn clean. I've never seen brand new OEM HR headlights in person. Look at how nice these things are, man. So expensive now. I swear they used to be like $700 each. Now they're $1,100 each, which is insane. I guess that's why people buy the depot headlights, because they don't want to spend that much money. But I mean, you can't beat OEM. Everything's really nice. Lighting output's nice, and just plug and play, easy. Getting new headlights for me was like getting these Nismo wheels. Like, I'm so excited. Can't really compare to the Nismo wheels though. These are like probably one of the coolest things on my car that I would say. Getting new headlights makes such a big difference on your car. There's two things that make a big difference on your car is fresh headlights and clean paint. Those two things make the whole front end of your car look so much better. So I'm gonna throw these headlights on just so I have them on for the weekend. After that, I'm gonna take them off. I'm gonna go take them to get painted black like those ones there, but professionally done. And I'll tell you guys from who in the next videos. I'm still talking to him right now because he kind of doesn't do headlights for people anymore. After that, I'm gonna take him to go get PPF'd. If you guys don't know what PPF is, it's paint protection film, pretty much what you'll see on supercars and all that. They have it on the bumper, the hood, usually the whole front end, the fenders, the mirror caps here, just so they stay really clean, no rock chips, no scratches, nothing like that. Just so they last a really long time, because PPF, they give you like a 10-year warranty if you put on your paint and stuff. So that goes to show how much it protects your car and stuff. So, all right, you guys ready to see? Ooh, they look so fresh. How nice that looks. Man, I like filming in here with the GoPro better, because then you can actually see like the whole car and everything in here. And the other camera is just so zoomed in, you can't see much. Kind of want to get a new camera with like an actual lens, because that way you can't put a lens on it. It looks so nice. It took me a little bit just because I wanted to get it really perfect, lined right in there. I didn't want any little gaps or anything like that, but look how clean that looks. It looks so nice with the new headlights. I love it. They're so chrome though, I'm not used to that, so it's kind of weird just because my whole car is like kind of dark now, like black wheels, paint's black, carbon. The only thing is like those wheels are kind of chrome, you know, but these headlights are so chrome. They pop out way more than anything else. That's why I'm getting them blacked out again. I also ordered some new quick releases. That way I can replace these that for some reason turned gold. So I'm gonna go ahead and change these out back to some fresh black ones with some new rubber bands. What a perfect little hole they did when they put these on for me when they painted my bumper. You guys ready? It looks so good. I walked outside, I looked back and I was like, oh my God. Looks like a brand new car. That is crazy. Looks so nice. Dude, these things are way too chrome, but it pops and it looks so clean. I'm not gonna rock the carbon eyelets for a while until I order some and they come in. But for now, rock them like this till I black them out. And then I'll put the carbon eyelets when I get a hood. All right, I have not started this car in 3 weeks. Could be longer, but I feel like it was 3 weeks. Oh man, I think I had like a fresh full tank of E85 too. And it's gonna be really loud, probably laggy. My RPMs are gonna be like because it's really cold. The E85 is cold. And I gotta burn this E85, so I'm gonna go to Chick-fil-A, go get some food because I feel like throwing up. And then I'm gonna put the S2000, which is over there. I'll put it in the garage and do the oil change because it's been about 4,000 miles already. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then we'll go take the Z for a little cruise to Chick-fil-A. Let's see how she starts. Oh shoot, I actually have no E85. Let's air it out real quick. Let's try to start it. Damn, I did not expect it to start that good. I honestly did not expect it to start that easy. It started right up, like it sounded like the battery wanted to like die. It was like, and then it just like started and idled so perfect. Car's idling perfect, haven't driven it in so long. This car never lets me down. Oh man, it feels so good driving. Whoa, that clutch. So used to the S2000 over there. Oh, look at these lights, watch. Ooh, these things are gonna be so much brighter now. I'll put it behind the S2000. Man, it's been a while since I've driven this thing. neighbors are gonna hate me. They hate when I leave my car idling outside. They say it's loud. It's not that bad. All right, let's put the car in there before I get another noise complaint. I gotta show you guys the photo. One of the apartments right here, this window up there. They took a photo of me when I was down there recording my car idling in the morning. It was like 9 in the morning, and I had taken it out. I was waiting for my friend to park his Evo in the garage, and I was just recording real fast, and they took a photo of me. The manager put it on my door with like a letter, and they emailed it to me too, and I was like, you guys just exposed who took that photo, because it was these people right here, and they're like my neighbors. And then they try to act like nothing ever happened. They like say hi and stuff. My second favorite child. It's the only thing I touch on my car. It's this handle. To close it, oh, guys. This is the second time I've seen it in here. I didn't even get to see it after I got my whole paint correction and everything. But it's looking clean. Nice and smooth. Need to go wash it. I'm gonna go wash it tonight too. Man, I've been doing so much today. But I'm gonna do the oil change, then go wash it tonight. Probably be done by like 1 in the morning. The usual though. Oh my God, it's so loud. I haven't driven a loud car in forever. It's always such a great feeling driving this car. Yeah, I definitely need some PSI in these tires. Feels like it's pulling to the side. Probably lost some air. I didn't tell you guys, but I got a ticket in the S2000 already. Oh man, I was late to work. There's a part where it starts to go downhill. So the speed limit's 50 and I was going like, I guess he caught me at 68. And it was going downhill. He was parked like on the side facing me, like on a motorcycle in the shade, so you couldn't see him. Oh, sick. Another S2000 over there, yellow one. And I couldn't see him because he was in the shade, looked dark. Until I was closing, I was like, oh, I'm done. And then he pulled me over. He was probably the rudest cop I've ever ran into too. I'm always super nice to cops. That cop, not so much. I usually just like to grab this chair right here. Ooh, get off of there. And chill in my garage and eat my food. Just, I don't know, something about just eating with your car. Feels nice, just looking at it. Boom. Got my little chair right here. Got the Z. Got the S2K. Got some Chick-fil-A. Can't complain, man. Super happy. I'm gonna end the video right here, guys, so appreciate you guys for watching. If you guys aren't subscribed, subscribe down below, please. Give this video a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed it. I know it was all over the place, but this weekend we're gonna go out and do a bunch of car stuff, go catch runs with the Z. Hopefully that thing comes back home after Sunday, because it's gonna get abused in some heat. So it's gonna be like 88 degrees out. So appreciate you guys for watching, and I will see you guys later.